During my recent visit to Channing's, I noticed a fresh bowl of strawberries and a scone mix on her countertop, and in her fridge, an unopened bottle of clotted cream. So this sparked the idea for an impromptu English afternoon tea. So the first thing I needed to do was gather all the ingredients. Cold butter, an egg, some water, and a little bit of milk. There was a time when I was young that I couldn't stand anything touching my fingers when I cooked, but obviously I don't mind now. After the scone mix is all mixed together, I put it on a silicone pad and just formed it into a round. And I cut it into a pie shape, got out a cookie sheet with parchment paper and laid them out. And then I made a little bit of a milk wash and sprinkled some sugar on the top, just to make it pretty when it came out. Next, I went into our pantry. I found a can of water chestnuts, a can of chicken, and her mayonnaise. That's all it took for the first sandwich, chicken salad, a little pepper, and then I did sprinkle some dried dill on it. Next, I found her green olives, and I did have to run to the store. I bought deviled ham, and she had cream cheese. So this sandwich is deviled ham, cream cheese, and the green olives. Next, a cucumber. Because what's an English tea without cucumber sandwiches? Cucumbers are pretty wet, so I slice them and then let them set just for a little bit on a paper towel. Then the bread was next. I cut all the crusts off and then cut them into little rectangles. First came the butter so they didn't get soggy, and then a little bit of mayonnaise. There's the chicken salad, the cucumbers, and finally, the deviled ham. Channing didn't have any three-tier trays, but she does have a lot of flower vases. So I went out and got a couple of her dahlias, put a little water in the vase, and voila! Different heights make for a perfect tray. Sean was going to join us as well, and Sean and I can have champagne. And since Channing's pregnant, no champagne for her. That's okay. She has lots of lovely tea. And voila, we're ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this quick video too. It's amazing what you can do with a little bit of an imagination and hunting in your pantry.